Good morning.
Good morning.
We are stringing along. It's really foggy outside, and we are headed to Animal Kingdom. What else do we have today? We have dinner at Sci-Fi at Hollywood Studios, and then tonight we have the Disney After Hours event at Magic Kingdom, which is supposed to be really fun. I'm so excited. Yeah, okay, well, we'll catch you later.
So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc! Imagination is a blast!
Brazilian black. You're scared of them?
I'm scared of spiders.
So what if I tell you they're not actually venomous? I know they look kind of creepy because they have like 8 legs and a bunch of eyes.
They just look so creepy.
I know. And if you come to think of it, like it's mostly the movies that make them like look like bad guys. Because if you ever, bees are actually even more dangerous than they are. So if you get, they're venomous but not to us. What happens if you get kind of bit? Worst thing that could happen if you're allergic to them. So their venom will actually just paralyze like small insects.
We enter the beautiful savanna overlook, the landscape created by the animals themselves. Elephants will bulldoze down trees. Giraffes, they trim and eat the underside of the trees. White-bearded wildebeest, part of the largest migration in Africa. Now, very, very close to us, we have a Maasai giraffe. Don't want to scare them away, make them run here. The whole truck gets a very nice view of all the elephants. I'll hang out for a couple of moments. Very cool indeed. The lightest pink of the flamingo family. Also look to the right side, those are springboks. They're very small. Those are the springboks hanging out. Short curved horns. Native to South Africa near the Cape.
Night Blossom. What do you think of it?
It's really good.
It is pretty good.
It's very tropical.
It's very tropical, yeah. She's right, but I like tropical fruity things.